Hi everyone, so today I got two sets of postcards from the SMTOWN Week limited edition. Those were released this December because of the special concert, you know. Yeah, I got EXO and SHINee because they are my bias groups. I'll unbox first SHINee, then I'll do EXO. By the way, I'll be selling some of these postcards because I'll only keep my bias, as I usually do. So I'll leave the link below to my eBay account if you want to buy any of this. Yeah. So this has 10 postcards. It has two different photo shoots for each member, one in black and white and one in color. I really like black and white pictures. Maybe I'll be keeping all the black and white because the pictures are gorgeous. But yeah, let's see. Oh, all the bags are like this. Just like that. So yeah, Youngyun. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing his name well. Poppy again. I really like this picture. Minho. Minho again. Ah, so handsome. Onion. So Onion is like my least favorite member, but this picture is really good. I love pictures in black and white. Key again. Timing, the magnet. And the last one, he looks so great. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll do another video for the EXO ones, by the way.